That voice on the phone, it might not be a real person at all. Stay with me. I'll show you how to spot it and stop it. Hey everyone, welcome back to SecureAI Simplified. Today, deepfakes, how they're used to scam people, and the checklist that protects you. A deepfake is AI-generated audio, video, or images made to look or sound like a real person. It only takes a few seconds of someone's real voice for AI to clone it convincingly. Scammers use this to impersonate a family member. They also impersonate a company's CEO or even a bank representative. Here's the typical pattern. Someone gets a call, a cloned voice claiming to be a relative in trouble or a boss requesting an urgent payment. The AI voice sounds real. The situation feels urgent, and urgency is exactly what stops people from thinking clearly. This is why the NIST AI Risk Management Framework highlights identity verification as a core control against AI misuse, and the EU AI Act classifies deepfakes used to deceive people as a transparency risk, meaning AI-generated content is increasingly required to be labeled as such. In simple terms, never trust a voice or video alone as proof of identity anymore. Here's your personal checklist. 1. Set up a family safe word, a phrase only real family members know for any emergency call. 2. If a call feels urgent and involves money, hang up and call the person back on their known number. 3. Be skeptical of video calls too. Ask the person to do something unscripted, like turning their head. 4. Don't post long, clear voice or video clips publicly if you can avoid it. 5. If something feels off, pause. Urgency is the scammer's biggest weapon. Don't let it rush you. Deepfakes are getting harder to spot by ear alone, but now you know the pattern, the standards behind the defense, and the checklist that protects you. If this helped, hit subscribe. Secure AI Simplified drops new videos every day. See you in the next one.